Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. I want to really quick follow up with a setup we had the other day in the Aussie that triggered 2 days ago, followed through yesterday, and today is kind of stalling out, but potentially giving us another setup. And that was a naked trading setup using a micro uptrend within the context of a major downtrend. So if you look at the Aussie, as you know, we are in a downtrend, okay, when the market is moving lower. However, we had a short-term series of higher lows and higher highs right here. So we draw a trend line going across the lows. Your entry is on the break of the trend line, and then we look for the follow through, which is what we had. Now we're doing the exact same thing again, okay? So we've gone down, put in a low, bounced, and now we're potentially putting in a higher low here. So the way this would work would be you draw your trend line going across the lows just like that. If we break the trend line, then you're looking to resume the downtrend. Once again, we'd be looking for another sell-off. If not, then we're looking for it to bounce. So if you took the original short on this trendline break, you're either taking profits here and then re-entering on a trendline break, or you're trailing your stop just above the highs of today by just a few ticks, a few pips, trying to lock in some gains, and that way staying in it and giving it a little bit of wiggle room to kind of consolidate and then continue lower next week. So make sure you pay attention to this type of setup. It's a very simple setup. It's naked trading. You don't have to have any indicators. You just need to look at a price. If you're interested in learning more strategies like this, we have the naked trading workshop tomorrow. All right, it's tomorrow at noon. You can just go to valuecharts.com/price. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. This is a setup that we sent out on Twitter while the Aussie was up here before it had broken down. So it worked out really well. Again, you can follow me on Twitter at TradesWithTom. Again, that's at TradesWithTom. So that's it for today. Hope it helps. Have a great weekend. I will see many of you in tomorrow's workshop on naked trading. And until next time, happy trading.